Let's calculate a double integral over a specific region D. First, we need to visualize the domain of integration. Here is our coordinate plane. We have two lines passing through the origin. The blue line on top is y equals 2x. The green line on the bottom is y equals x. The region is also bounded by two vertical lines. On the left, x equals 2. On the right, x equals 4. The yellow shaded area you see represents our region D. Since x is bounded by constants and y is bounded by functions of x, we will set up this integral as a type 1 region. Now, let's integrate the function y divided by x over this domain. We choose the limits of integration directly from the graph. For the outer integral, x runs from 2 to 4. For the inner integral, y runs from the lower boundary, x, to the upper boundary, 2x. We begin with the inner integral with respect to y. During this step, x is treated as a constant. The integral of y is y squared over 2. The factor 1 over x remains unchanged. Now, we apply the fundamental theorem of calculus. We substitute the upper limit, 2x. Then, we subtract the expression evaluated at the lower limit, x. After simplifying the algebra, we obtain 3x over 2. Now, we integrate this result with respect to x. We need to evaluate the integral of 3x over 2 from 2 to 4. Using the power rule, x becomes x squared over 2. Multiplying by the coefficient gives us 3x squared over 4. Now, we evaluate the expression. First, substitute x equals 4. This gives 12. Next, substitute x equals 2. This gives 3. Subtracting these values, 12 minus 3 gives us the final answer. The value of the double integral is 9. Finally, let's look at the geometry of this region in three-dimensional space. We project our two-dimensional region upward along the z-axis. The yellow vertical walls represent the boundaries used in integration. The vertical walls correspond to x equals 2 and x equals 4. The slanted walls correspond to the functions y equals x and y equals 2x. Visualizing the domain in this way helps us understand how double integrals extend from simple areas in the plane to volumes in space.